Hi there, students. To vaunt, vaunt. To vaunt is really a synonym for to boast about something or to brag about something. To speak proudly or praise yourself, especially in a way that's more than reasonable, that's more than acceptable. So he's always vaunting his abilities. Now notice the usage is ever so slightly different to brag and boast. You brag about something, you boast about something, but normally you just vaunt something. It's like showing it up for everybody to see. He's always vaunting his good looks, taking poses to try to show off. He's always vaunting the glories of his past, showing off about your abilities, yeah? Talking incredibly proudly and bragging about who you are or what you have done or the things that you have. He vaunted his new car to all of his friends. Yeah, so to boast, to brag, to crow about as well. Yeah, I guess we all vaunt some of our characteristics a little bit from time to time. But to vaunt, it's not really the best of characteristics. So, to vaunt, to speak about in a way that's so positive that it's just a bit ridiculous. You can also write about yourself, congratulating you on yourself with extravagant self-praise. He's always vaunting his achievements. He's always vaunting his Olympic medal in the 100 meters. He's always vaunting the fact that he played for the English football team. So to boast, to brag, yeah, to go on about, to exaggerate, to hyperbolize, to overstate. And this is the idea of to vaunt. Companies are always vaunting the wonderful characteristics of their latest product, yeah, or I don't know, this much vaunted film was actually not really very good, yeah, so maybe there was too much hype about it, yeah. So to speak boastfully, yeah, to boast about or to make a vain, ostentatious display of your abilities. Yeah, he likes to vaunt his English whenever whenever there's an English-speaking person about. He's showing it off to all of his friends so that they can see what fantastic English he's got. Yeah, maybe he's always vaunting his English when he's talking about it as well. Normally, I actually find that students who vaunt their English are not very good. It's the ones who say, "Ooh, my English isn't very good, I've got lots of problems." Those are normally the people who actually speak very good English. Okay, to vaunt is a regular verb. He vaunted his abilities. He has vaunted his talents all afternoon. Okay, now the next question, formality. To me, vaunt sounds very literary and a little bit old-fashioned and very posh. I would not use vaunt in an informal conversation unless I was vaunting my vocabulary to my friends. I think it's the sort of word that native speakers should know, but they might be a little bit unsure of the meaning of it. And then as to origin, well, this is another one that comes from Latin through French. There's an old French word, vaunter, which comes from the Latin vanus, vain or boastful. So it hasn't changed very much. Yeah, if somebody's vain, they're always vaunting their talents and their abilities. Yeah, They're not saying their talents are latent, but they are showing them in your face. Yeah? So, boast, to vaunt, to boast about, to brag about. But remember, to vaunt, noun. He vaunted his ability. He vaunted his new car. He vaunted his English. No preposition. Okay? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.